Hey there, future millionaires! Big news in the student loan world. The SBA might take over managing your loans. Is this a rescue mission or a disaster waiting to happen? Let's break it down. Do me a favor, like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell before you leave. Don't forget, I will be posting every Monday and every Friday of every week, so stay tuned. Welcome back to my YouTube Talks. So here's the scoop. The idea is to make loan management more efficient, like switching from a flip phone to a smartphone. Theoretically, this move could streamline processes, maybe even give borrowers a better shot. But here's the twist. Student loans aren't typically business loans. They're more complex than trying to fold a fitted sheet. Now let's hear from the experts. They're sounding the alarms louder than a fire drill on Monday morning. They worry this transition could lead to confusion and more headaches for borrowers. You know, like opening a bag of chips only to find out that half of it is empty. We've seen how small changes in the loan system caused problems. Think accidental defaults and misapplied payments with over $1 trillion in loans at stake. Is this really the best move? So let's break it down. The SBA, or Small Business Association, usually handles larger loans for businesses, and it's often with fewer borrowers. It's like comparing apples and oranges, or maybe apples and like a whole fruit salad. They're used to straightforward terms, while student loans have twists and turns that would make a roller coaster jealous. So, are they ready for this wild ride? Hold on to your pens, it gets trickier. Shifting loans to the SBA might require rewriting laws, since the promissory notes are currently signed with the Department of Education. Imagine trying to change the rules mid-game. It's like playing Monopoly and someone decides to take all the money and create a new game entirely. Confusion totally guaranteed. So, what do you think? Could the SBA be the hero we need, or are we just one step closer to the loan apocalypse? Drop your thoughts below and let me know. If you could hand your student loans over to any superhero, who would it be? Thanks so much for joining me. And whether this change saves us or turns into a drama worth binge watching, we'll keep our eyes on the prize. Remember, just like your student loans, I'm here for the long haul. So I will see you in my next video to your left. This video was inspired by an article from MarketWatch.